and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be doing a kind of funny piece. I saw a mustache piece that was for a septum, and I wanted to make that a little bit wackier. So that's what we're going to be accomplishing tonight. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to be taking a foot of wire. Now this is only 6 inches, so we're going to be doing 2 sections of this. And then we're going to be basically trying to find the center. So wherever the center is, make the mold for the seat for what's going to be going into the and sitting in the piercing, and then from there we will start rolling each side up. I think you guys already get the idea that I'm going for here, and you will be correct. So let's get that started. Alright, so I'm going to take this out and basically mold this part to the same diameter or kind of curve that this one has. I'm screwing it back on just to make sure that I don't lose the ball, because that's not a good thing. This is the first time that I'm actually taking it out, so once I get the measurement for this, I'll be putting it back in. So now that that's set, we'll start curling each side. Oh, and put this back in. Okay, so we're going to slowly start wrapping this up. What I did there was basically just pull it out so that they're a little bit out, so that when I go to put on the earring, or nose ring at this point, I can get it in and then start spinning. So let's try this on. But first, let's sanitize. Alright, so what I've noticed is that it is extremely hard to put in. This is a little bit smaller. Well, a lot of it actually. A lot of it smaller than my gauge. For the size, at least. And the spirals definitely have to be pointed downwards. There we go. Alright. So, this is what I've learned in trying this out. So, these definitely need to be wider. And or you have to kind of mold them after the fact. And trying to get this off is probably going to be difficult. I think on and off is a little too difficult. So that's probably why the one that I saw was literally just a swoop. So it was the curve in the center and then it just swooped like a fake mustache. And not a spiral. Because people are not going to be crazy enough. I don't know. It looks kind of nifty. I'd wear it. Whether or not putting it on would be too much of a hassle, that might be a thing. But I like it. It's nifty. So probably not the best. Probably not the best. It's interesting though. I like it. This is going to be difficult to take off though. I think I'm just going to straighten it out and completely ruin it to take it off. Because like I said, it's too small for the hole. I would need to solder another like piece on the inside and then file it down to this width. And I could do that, but I think the primary getting it on is already too difficult. Maybe it is cool though. I like it. Maybe not as many spirals, so it won't be swoop. Maybe doing the single swoop and then just having it curve over once. Maybe that'll work better. Again, it's the getting it on and off part that I'm seeing is a problem with this design. But I'm definitely taking a picture because this is excellent. So unfortunately, I am going to be leaving it at this. I know it's a short episode. I've just been very busy. And this was an impromptu, basically, episode. Because, I ordered what I need, the stones and stuff that I need, yesterday. I ordered that yesterday. Well, not your yesterday. Tuesday. I ordered it Tuesday. So hopefully that stuff will be coming in, and I'll be able to get it and work on the actual project that I have planned next week. So I kind of I didn't want to start a very big project and then have it take even longer to start on the amulet that I'm wanting to work on. So I thought that this was a nice little fun idea that I had, and like I said, it works. It definitely works. Functionality though, it's impractical. So like I said, probably, cut off a little bit and just have like one swoop to help you get it onto your septum piercing. But of course, like I said, it's funny. I like it. Maybe with a little bit of a thicker wire. I don't have thicker wire, but I could see it. Yeah. It's nifty, especially if you don't have a mustache already. yeah, I'd do it. But unfortunately, that does end this episode. I know that it's a short episode, and I am sorry for that, but impromptu kind of funny episode. I'm still trying to recoup. But I hope you all enjoyed. I know that I had fun making it and trying to put it on. It's gonna be great trying to get it off. I might tack on me getting it off at the end. I don't know. It depends on how long this all takes. So, without further ado, I hope that you all liked this episode. If you did, hit the like button. And if you really like it, hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you'll get notified whenever I put out a video. I try to do about 2 videos a week. My live, Knitting with Metal, and of course these episodes, Pendragon's Twisted Metals. I hope that I see you all next week, and have a wonderful evening. Okay, now I gotta get this thing off me. Wait. When? Is it? Okay, I definitely went this way, right? Guys, help me. Yeah, so definitely I had to bend this completely out of shape to get it off. So less spiral.